I think we all have that go-to meal that makes us feel good, and this one is the go-to meal that my wife really enjoys. Her mother used to make it for her. It was ground beef and gravy. We make it on mashed potatoes, and I found out thanks to Chat GPT how to make ground beef and gravy or how to make these mashed potatoes in the air fryer, and just clean them, stab them a few times with a fork, and pop them in the air fryer. It was 375 for 40 or 50 minutes. Got to flip them halfway through. Anyway, I tried this. I used to steam them in like a rice cooker, but this actually is a lot easier. And I think they're actually a little more tasty. And it's easier because I use a potato ricer. So I just scoop the potatoes out and put them in the ricer. So my grandson helped me to know how to cut an onion properly. I still don't think I got it right. Not probably the safest way to do it. But anyway, we got it chopped up, diced, throw it in one of the little bowls. And I'll get to that mess in a little bit. So throw the hamburger in the pan and throw some onions in there, get it chopped up a little bit. Throw the onions in there as well so they can start to soften. Uh, I'm probably not going to be eating any of this, or if I do, I'm going to be eating a limited amount. I've been dieting for the past 10 weeks. I've lost 25 pounds, and I'm really paying attention to my calories. So, oh, my wife likes corn on top. When I eat this, I don't put corn on top, but to each his own, I guess. So we get this hamburger cooked up, and yeah, I think I will eat a little bit of it. I'll probably measure out the mashed potatoes and the burger and have chat tell me how many calories I'm eating. It gets pretty close. Sometimes it's a little high, sometimes it's a little low, but I figure it averages out in the end. So you just want enough gravy so that the burger's nice and moist. Then we're just going to leave this sit on here and simmer a little bit, heat up nicely, and turn the stove down. So I got 4 tablespoons of butter I'm starting out with, and I poured 5 ounces of heavy cream. Throw it in the microwave for 30 seconds or so. Now we got to cut up these potatoes. Really got to find a sharper knife. As you'll see, I kind of struggled a little bit with these, but it's okay. We got through it. Just cut them in half, nice and soft on the inside. But they're hot. Those hard on the fingers. So I just scooped out the insides into the potato ricer. If you've never used a potato ricer before, it's really the best way to make mashed potatoes as far as I'm concerned, or whipped potatoes if you prefer. So just keep scooping. Then it's real satisfying to rice it out. Now throw the butter in there. I thought the butter was a little softer than what it was, but it's okay. It'll melt a little bit. We'll just continue to scoop out the potatoes, get another potato ricer full of it. And this is going to be enough for 2 people. My grandson's here, but he didn't really care for it. I bought him Chipotle, so he's going to be enjoying that. Now we'll clean this up a little bit. So the next step in the process after we get it cleaned up is to get it mixed up. So I'll put the cream in, start with a little, just mix it up. I want to scoop out that butter. I had too much in there. And any little bits and pieces you find in there, just keep adding cream a little bit at a time. Get super smooth. Scrape the sides and continue just working with it until it's nice and smooth. Now, I didn't measure my wife's. I'm on a diet. She's not. She doesn't have to be. So I'll throw some burger in there. Throw a little bit of corn on top of it. Here comes the corn. And some salt. So that's it. Ground beef and gravy. Why not give this one a try? It's easy to make and might just become a go-to comfort food for you too.